Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to protect your Gmail account from hackers, this video is for you. I will show you the most important security steps you should enable right now. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. Go to myaccount.google.com, now sign into your Google account. Tap on Security from the menu. First, make sure you are using a strong password. Your password should be unique and not used anywhere else. Now scroll down and turn on two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Choose a verification method like phone prompt or authenticator app. Complete the setup and save the changes. Next, scroll to find your devices. Review all devices signed into your Google account. If you see any unfamiliar device, remove it immediately. This prevents unauthorized access. Now scroll down and review third-party apps with account access. Remove any app you do not recognize or no longer use. Next, make sure your recovery email and phone number are added. These help you recover your account if something goes wrong. Also check recent security activity regularly. This helps you spot suspicious login attempts early. Always keep your phone and browser updated. Updates include important security fixes. Avoid clicking suspicious links in emails. Google will never ask for your password through email. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Gmail and account security videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.